Welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you the. Wait a second. Can I go full cam? One second. I'm going to go full screen. Oh, this is done. It's a control lock in my screen. I'm just F11. Then what's that? Okay. Uh, Hello everyone. Welcome back to Obi Nexus. Now I want to show you my simulation of consciousness. This is my simulation of consciousness. I'll show you how to use it. So when you run the live server. When you learn the stuff of Python dash HTTP dot server 8080 does bind to localhost or port this address, which is look back address for the system, server in the system. You can then use conscious model. This module is really what it is, what there is to it. It's meant to represent consciousness and the consciousness in the real world. This was consciousness on a nutshell. So when you look here, let me see the key. Where's the key? So this is unconscious. The black represents unconscious. The blue is traditional or subconscious. The conscious term are the green ones. The green cells. This is like Carl's Wake circle of life, but it's like a simulation unconsciousness. It's about simulation works by like random seeding of consciousness afterwards. So it's meant to it's like a state machine simulation of consciousness. It's a state machine using state machine to enumerate states and perform transition based on current conditions of the cycle. So I'm going to start a simulation, but I want to explain how to use it first, the UI first. So you press the start, pause, reset, land, randomize, and get simulation speed. Now, if the solution is too small, if it's too fast, you may want to do longer than that. You can do, let's try 150, 160, 150, 150, come on, Emily. 160 is fine. Okay, we'll do 160, and this is a particular barrier mechanism of consciousness. This is just a generic one, but if you want to, it counts for everything here. And then you got some documentation, some about me, between three states. The almost is the consciousness, but this is a simplified model of consciousness. So I believe because you got the dream the state. So let me just start. So I'm going to start simulation. Okay, click randomize. So already randomize when it starts. So I'm going to just click start. Now, so when it starts, what happened is when I was born, so, okay, so, oh, it's getting too fast. It's getting too fast. Okay. 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 Reset. Reset. So when I reset the whole thing, now it's conscious. Now randomize. Okay. Randomize consciousness. When we set it, get a start. Oh, so, yeah. Oh, God, I'm so conscious model. Okay, let me just try. All resets required. Okay, camera test. So, forward. Oh no, forward. To refresh it. So you gotta have it randomized, because everything conscious is not gonna become conscious. So there's no partial problem ignition. It's just randomize some seeds of consciousness. And I'm gonna try to. Okay, it's getting too fast. So I'm gonna try to randomize again. Pause. It's too fast too. It's just gonna try to. I want the slowest one. Okay, getting too fast. Yes, you see. See, the thing is, when it's called information field. So this is an information field where the line is within conscious information. So this is good to shut down conscious, which would be more conscious, like being born, an information field where you can access the items with relativity or anything like that. And then that information is everything. You know everything about you, and then you just make solve new problems yourself. It's a conscious training system. So I'm gonna randomize too. I'm gonna change the speed to something, and then start the simulation. See, the more people become consciousness, and then until everyone's fully conscious, information is being shared between people that are conscious, subconscious, and uh, only subconscious and conscious. People that are conscious can't access that information barrier because you can't see anyone that is unconscious, fully conscious, accessing that system of information. And this is a point it just shows that. That is being there's a barrier involved in the system where culture can degrade. If this barrier is low, then it'll be low. the people that are conscious, less conscious, will be state more become less conscious and be slow process to become conscious. And this unconscious, so this is called this generations of unconscious. So there's still people that are unconscious, but it's going down always. And people in consciousness, it just goes up, and this become more people conscious. But this generation, how many iterations has become? How many iterations are going to run? Called a generation, and it's like how generation evolves over time. So this is the every time it runs, you have this conscious state until there's less information in the field to be accessed because there's less people going from conscious transition, and that information will then become a whole picture. But it's like and these people that are conscious can then use in the real world, if they're conscious, then they can now give new knowledge. You get back to the field. It's a cycle of thing. Which trains people more consciousness and becomes more. It's a cycle of information processing and organizing. Uh, and it just comes naturally in the whole system of consciousness model. Now, so it can degrade over time, and if you're conscious, it can affect state conditions. Okay, now thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, so this is objective consciousness solved. Share my solution, and people can get it. Get people to watch the video, get people to watch the video, and try to explain the consciousness model to you. Make sure you understand it, so you can see for themselves. I'm gonna try to try to make some simulation of the model because as I said, the simulation could be a quantification of the item to see that the conscious model actually classifies items correctly. It's a car, it's a dog, and is it what it is. You label it so you can see it because it's objective consciousness model. The 2D environment or 2D 3D environment or even the 4D environment, if you can simulate the hypercube. Um, but it's generalized, so it works in theory and practice, and then try to do specific experiences too. Why people like different things, and why people want to do different things, why people have different aspirations and dreams, why people just work together as one cohesive unit. That's the subjective part of consciousness. Why are we conscious and all conscious, but we do different things. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Take care. Stay safe. Like, share, subscribe. Remember, like, share, subscribe.